No, he's not that bored. We have toys for him. You don't have to go and play with his poo like that. Hey! Napoleon! What are you doing?
Napoleon, do you want your bunny?
What are you doing? Yeah.
Here,
Your
use
bunny.
this. No, not.
You got a cat plays with their poo.
Come on, Napoleon.
Get your bunny. There
Get
you
your
go.
bunny. Get your bunny. Get away from your litter box. Let's play.
Nope. Nothing more fun to play with than a poop. Okay. More power to you. Good job, Mouse. You don't play with your poop.
Good
But you're
job,
neat.
Curly. You make a lot.